Hi subscribers, welcome to our channel. This is Kishore Palavalsa. Please subscribe our channel for more new different types of classes, as well as I need your encouragement and also I need your support always. With your support only I can make the different types of classes for you only. I can as well as so till now if anyone is not subscribed, please subscribe now. Okay, so which is very useful for you our channel. Okay, and also so in this our channel, so today I will give you one main important clarifications for you all. Okay, main ambition are also called as main target of our channel is, okay, so there are different types of both technical and non-technical classes I will present to you only. And also so with your support that can be possible. Okay, so coming to the this our channel mainly going to deal both competitive as well as technical and non-technical oriented classes also, all those things we are discussing. Okay, and also coming to the so competitive exams like RRBs, like NTPC, like bells, like UPSC. Okay, as well as like PG oriented classes like PG level. So PG level means after degree, after either technical or non-technical degree, we are going to discuss in the shortcut method bits also we are dealing. Okay, and also so coming to the so technical subject, we are going to deal the both electrical as well as mechanical as well as ECE as well as civil also. We are going to deal the all technical, and remaining some of the non-technical subjects also we are going to deal, okay, in our channel. Okay, so with your support only all those kinds of subjects we are going to deal, which is I can put in front of you only, that is only with your support. And also so coming to the technical subjects, basically we are going to deal the number one is the power system. So power system is, in the power system it contains both generation as well as distribution as well as transmission. All those different types of factors will be including in this, so we are going to deal. Okay, as well as electrical circuits. Okay, all those different types of circuits like different types of theorems, node analysis and mesh analysis. So maximum power transfer theorem and Thevenin's theorem and Telegrams theorem and Norton's theorem and maximum power transfer theorem, all those different types of theorems, all those including the so different types of Kirchhoff laws, all those things we are going to deal the in the electrical circuits. Okay, different types of all those things. And also so coming to the like a machines. Okay, in the machines maybe contains so machines 1 and machines 2 and machine 3, different types of parts is there. In that basically may contains generators and transformer chapters also there, as well as motor chapters also there. All those things we are going to deal. And also coming to the like a powertronics, in the powertronics we are going to deal the like a choppers, okay, as well as cycloconverters and rectifier circuits as well as inverter circuits. So all those whenever we are fed into the drives, what happening, all those things we are going to discussing in the powertronics subject. Okay, and also coming to the like a control system. Okay, control system, in the control system we are going to deal the all types of different types of plats like Boda plat and root locus and like a Nyquist plat, all those different type of plots as well as different types of compensators, lead and lag lead. So different types of compensators always like your Rother's criteria, all those different types of all concepts we have to cover the control system also. Okay, and also and if you want to go for the like a okay BEEE, in the BEEE subjects always we have to cover the BEEE means basic electrical and electronics engineering subject. Okay, which is useful for the both civil and mechanical and as well as electrical and ECE also. Four branches must and should be useful for the BEEE subject. Okay, so we are also dealing to the in the BEEE the basic concepts also maybe contains like generators and motors and transformers and like a semiconductor devices. All those things may be including in that particular BEEE subject. Okay, so that can be also we are dealing. So with your support we can deal the all those things. Okay, and also So like in remaining different subjects is there like HVDC. Okay, HVDC means high voltage direct current transmission, and also like measurements, electrical measurement subjects. Okay, in that measurements there are different types of measuring instruments is there like voltmeters and ammeters and energy meters, all those things. So different types of instruments we can measure the different types of electrical quantities like voltage and current and power. Okay, all those things we are learning. And also coming to the mostly utilization of electrical energy, UWE, utilization of electrical energy. Okay, so how can we use the electrical energy? So present and future generation, how can you we utilize the electrical energy? Okay, so that concept oriented classes also we are learning. Okay, and also traction, the main concept is traction. Okay, so coming to the traction subjects, what is the types of tractions is there, and always, and also what type of basic fuels will be used in that particular traction, all those things we are learning in the tractions. And also what type of machinery we are basically using in that particular traction, all those things also we are learning in the traction subject. Okay, and also all those different types of both technical and non-technical subjects also we are dealing. So coming to the non-technical subjects like physics and chemistry, like mathematics, all those things also we are dealing. Okay, so with your support I can make the all different types of classes I can put in front of you. Okay, so please support to me always, and also please encourage to me. So with your encouragement, so how much you have to encouragement to me, so that much amount of I can effort will be putting in front of you. Okay, and also so coming to you want to go for the like a gate level exams, so there are shortcut methods is there. Okay, so that type of all those bits we can simply made to show in terms of shortcut way, which is very useful for you. Okay, and also like different types of banks, all those things also we are learning. Okay, so with your support we can do the all those things. Okay, thank. So this is the main target or ambition of. So if any have requirement of any need of any subjects, so please you have to put on the comment box. I will give you so all those different types of topics in front of you. Okay, but some time taken will be there. Why? Because if you want to cover the all those subjects, we need some time. Okay, we will clear the all those subjects one by one alternately, as well as I can put in front of you so basic different types of shortcut methods, all those things. Okay, and also which is very useful for you. Okay, please share your friends, and please share your all those relatives as well as like colleagues. Okay, so which is the very useful. So please subscribe our channel, tell to please subscribe our channel. Okay, so and also so what are the topics we are discussing and also learning the so daily day to day, so that topic related, so materials. Okay, materials also in terms of like PDF I will provide to you. Okay, so that all those things, so which is possible only with your support, only with your support only I can put in front of you, I can put in front of you. Okay, so thank you, and thank you subscribers.